Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable call screening on your iPhone running iOS 26. So let's get started. Solution 1. Enable screen unknown callers. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on apps. Choose on phone app. Under the call section, look for screen unknown callers or a similar option. Tap on it. Here you will see options like ask reason for calling. This is the actual call screening mode. Never, don't screen unknown calls. Silence unknown callers automatically. Solution 2. Turn on live voicemail. Open the setting app again. Scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and tap phone. Find the option live voicemail. Switch it on. This way you can read what the caller is saying is real time through voicemail without answering the call. And that's it. Guys, that's how you can enable call screening on iOS 26. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.